intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my glam fam here on YouTube. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music2makeup. So today's video is going to be an unboxing. It's going to be my Boxycharm Premium unboxing for the month of October. So Boxycharm Premium is $35 and I've worked all night, so I'm gonna make this as quick and as painless as possible. So you know the deal. Like, subscribe if you want. If not, keep on watching. Alright, let's see what we got for October. Alright, so, alright, ooh, first thing I see is I'm really excited about, but let me go in order here. Alright, the first product is this Iluminati Cosmetics Illuminati and Isa eyeshadow palette, designed by Isabel Bedia. I probably am not saying that right. So it's wrapped in plastic. Let me see what she looks like. I mean, it's not the most luxe packaging, and it's like a cardboard, but let's see what it looks like inside. Ooh, so you do have a mirror. This is a really nice, colorful palette. Okay, I'm not mad at you. I'm not going to swatch any just in case I want to put this in for a giveaway, but this retails for $48. Alright, next we have this Clarins Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch. So this ultralight award-winning primer leaves an imperceptible veil over the skin surface. Silkening acacia micro pearls fill in pores, fine lines, and deep wrinkles. Vitamin E hydrates and nourishes for foundation-ready skin. Experience the Clarins difference. Makeup with skincare benefits. So this retails for $39. Okay, now, you know, we mostly know Clarins for, like, skincare, but they do have some good makeup products. There's a lip product of theirs that I love. So, here's what the component looks like. Oh, that's really cool looking. It's like swirled. Ooh, I'm really intrigued. And it does come with a little spatula. Huh. Okay. I'm excited to try that. Alright, next we have this Kosas Color and Light palette, powder, blush, and highlighter. So an ultra blendable powder, blush, and highlighter palette in versatile duos of balancing, brightening, foolproof, clean, and skin cushioning formulas. Each duo is available in 2 levels of intensity for a color that complements every mood and every skin tone. Okay. I see the blush. I don't know how well of a highlighter that would be for me. And that's cream. But on here it says powder, blush, and highlighter. So this is in cream, 8th Muse. Okay. They're definitely both cream. Okay. Ooh, that's really pretty though. Alright, so that retails for $34. I've been really into cream blushes lately, so hey. Alright, next we have this Go-To Skincare Exfoliating Swipies. These single-use exfoliating pads soaked in an all-natural solution get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. Okay, cool. So, single-use exfoliating pads remove dead skin cells, refine skin texture, minimize the appearance of fine lines, and moisturize in a flash, all without harsh scrubbing. Each pad is soaked in a gentle, naturally occurring AHA, lactic acid, as well as ultra-hydrating essential oils to leave skin looking and feeling fresh, glowy, and hydrated. So there are 50 pads in here. and I have extremely dry skin, so I need to exfoliate as often as possible. So this is a really nice, like, quick and easy way to do that. So these retail for $35. They smell pretty good too, kind of like vitamin C. Alright, next we have these MAC lashes in number 43. So it says they're dramatically long and wispy and also feature a long winged outer edge. You know what's crazy? I've never tried MAC lashes before. I wouldn't say these are extra dramatic, and the band is very thin, so I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that, but I am really excited to try that. They retail for $18. And the last product is this Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. So our pure pigment formula stays true with soft satiny color that stays put from morning peck to midnight smooch. The uniquely curved applicator hugs lips for precise application. Oh, it's just a doe foot. It's like a really deep pink. That's pretty. I feel like this is the color they always send me though. This retails for $21. So let me add up everything and tell you what the retail value is. And if you're interested, my box variation number is 18. So the total retail value for my Boxycharm Premium is $195. I am pleasantly surprised with everything. I was expecting that blush and highlighter palette to be powdered, but I mean, I'm still gonna try it. It's because it's cream. They look really pretty, actually. I was kind of hoping for a different lip color this time, but I'm really excited to try the exfoliating pads, the primer, and the lashes, and not sure if I'm gonna keep that palette or if I'm gonna put it in a giveaway, but I think this is a decent Boxycharm Premium. Yeah, I'm really excited with everything. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna go take a shower and get some sleep so I can go back to work tonight. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.